In order for us to see our saved videos on YouTube, it's pretty simple. We first have to locate the video that we want to save. In this case, I'm going to select this one. Beside it, I'm going to tap on this third dot. Then make sure to select save to watch later. So later, if we want to see where it is being saved, we're going to make sure we tap on this profile icon on the bottom right corner of our YouTube home feed. And this will redirect us to an interface like this. Beside your playlist, proceed to tap on view all and allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. Then here we're going to scroll down until we locate watch later and proceed to tap on it, and this will bring out the video that we've just saved here. So in this case, this is the video that we just saved to watch it later. So you can proceed tap on the video and watch it as you want. And this is how to locate your saved videos on YouTube. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.